Sang digga digga ding dong digga digga dong dong digga digga ding. And think I should give them a cool reminder.
Staring in my mirror. Ooh, I can share my love.
Different from it just being a juggler is actually dancehall, you know.
Seasoned beat builder Notnice delivering a cool reminder.
Give them a cool reminder. Member.
Beanie and Bounty, intense and eye-water at different ends of the dancehall spectrum on the Notnice juggling.
Good no man. Member good no.
You know, about 16 songs and really long time people get a juggling with 16 songs.
But you're going against the grain. It's dancehall, it's not trap.
And the dancehall, it cover more grounds when I reach further than the trap stuff.
Maybe, but not everyone responding to Notnice's call.
Some of them tell me, say, yeah man, I go voice. Yeah, mean man, you name Notnice, you know, I go voice. I'm sending the really man name. Yeah man, next week, yeah me have show. Yeah man, next month. I know I'm not gonna take that. I'm not run back artist, you know, I used to do that, I'm a foot tired, so I stop.
Sang digga digga ding dong digga digga ding dong digga digga ding dong ding ding. Bad man no big friend.
It's not all the while I go get a yes, you know. Sometimes some of them might not like the rhythm. Some of them might say, yo, can't DJ upon them rhythm and I really want some more frills. And I say, no. I say, yo, the rhythm's slow. And I say, yo, they never DJ upon them rhythm yet. Even intense. Intense say you never DJ upon a rhythm like this before, but you're willing to try.
No right for free your body, I know yang yang.
Chronic class, same thing. Chronic class, I'm a bad artist, him sing fine rhythm.
Before the be my kiwi, but bunnies and sunny.
I can't believe that I'm actually working with Notnice as a dancehall producer, because you know I've always do the international thing.
I'm on a romantic call. I'm talking to my baby.
But I think it's a good thing for me.
Patra, queen of the pack in the heady crossover heyday of the early 90s. But the romantic called singer in no need of coaching decades later.
Natural body come again, the whole of them get nervous.
A very long hiatus from the music scene notwithstanding. Back in the day, how easy or how difficult was it for a vocalist to jump on a rhythm and ride it? Did you have to get it right? Did you have to satisfy a producer?
You have to make sure that you have everything correct. So it was people like Stephen Stanley, Gussie Clark, Mikey Bennett, and those people, including Ninja Man, and those people who actually, Yellow Man, General Tree, who steer me. It was not hard at all, because when I got to Kingston, you have like Lady G, Sister Charmaine, Lady P, myself. Everything was just perfect. For me personally, it's music. There is nothing to think about to say, oh my God, I've taken a break for this long, so is there something for me to catch up to? Obviously not.
These days, there are no gatekeepers. Does that do a disservice to some of the talent who are presenting themselves now?
You know, Anthony, I haven't been watching much things at all, because as you stated yourself, is that what I've done, I've immersed myself into things that are more sensual, more creative, to keep my mind away from all that is going on.
Come on, Patra, you probably watch, but you're probably smirking.
No, man. I mean, smirking is one thing. I have people out there who tell me things, but you know, people have to feed themselves and stuff like that. But I think it's music. After I finish my video and everything, then I'll be able to look at what's going on. But I don't think there's nothing for me to catch up to.
Patra come again, the whole world put them lighters up.
Notnice. Patra's been out of the game a long time.
Her fans are still alive though. Yeah, that's for a long time advice, man. Patra chop same way. When I say chop, I don't mean chopping.
So, no regrets, even if he is bucking current trends.
I am not beating down the trap, you know. I am just telling them, say, be versatile, don't sound no bad. Do some dancehall and do the trap, because we reach that stage, you know, where you have to accept it is here and the kids, them like it. So, here what, the two of them can just survive. So, here what, while you do some trap, you do some dancehall too.
Natural body come again, the whole of them get nervous.
What's the song the uninitiated should check out to get Patra in her pomp, in her glory, and just knocking the ball out of the park?
Well, Queen of the Pack.
Watch the sun, watch out, anything now shock out, get washed out.
You know, because I mean, say, watch the sun, watch out, anything now shock out, get washed out. Because when you say Queen of the Pack, you're really not talking about me alone. We're talking about women from all over. Whether you clean house, pick up garbage on the street. I'm talking about women that I grew up with, my mom, my aunt, my cousins, everybody. I think that women, once you're strength of your household, you're a queen. So for me, it's not a crown thing, you know? It's more of a talent.
Queens get a little older though. Aging in dancehall, how you deal with that?
What is there to catch up to? If I see it, then what would it be? When you're original, there's nothing to think about. I think everybody should have fun until they're ready to adjust. There's nothing that's impressive for me, but since I have everything planned out, for me, I'm just going to continue where I left off. And as you say, the queen age in reverse, I've never looked at age because the older I've gotten is the more sensual I've become. And not only that, I'm much smarter. And I realize I'm not so tired like before. I've gone through a lot, but I'm here to continue. I have more values now than just to go out and party.
I see clearly.
Producer Notnice staying true to his dancehall roots, but the impetus today with DJs grooving to a different beat. Skilly Bang, Skang, and yes, Silk Boss.
Boost them up like supple gen for run up, make me show them I can know the movement.
Footage surfacing this week of the Mobe-based DJ being assaulted by thugs.
He did an interview on YouTube and he was speaking to a vlogger and he must say, yo, I'm friends. Some money business, him go buy car and buy car and the man them beat him up and take away money and assault him, baby mother and something. So him say like a couple of weeks ago because I think he's in Canada now, so it's not something that happened yesterday or the day before.
Man guy nah no love. Yo dog they don't have no feeling.
I think of some music video or something and I say no, I don't think a man gonna really allow himself, even if it's a music video, for somebody to deal with him like that. And I know something me feel good, but I see some people see it and I laugh. Me not find it funny.
That stuff happened back in the day, but there wasn't social media to record it.
Yeah, like coming up in the music, you hear of those things happening from Bob Marley days. You've been here about it, but it's just somebody have to tell about it. Now, at modern time, you can actually see it. But for somebody that try to do that, you try to build the youth character same way. And I go video that and put out there like you try to mash up the man's career. Like, no man, whoever do that, me not rate them.
But it's also a sign of the times. Anything goes.
No man, the time want fix.
Bob's Cartel and Spice flipped your Miss Independent record.
Yeah,
Did you clear it?
I didn't not clear it.
Miss Independent made the news the other day because of that interview that Neo did. You can set the record straight. Was Neo even in a position to clear anything?
Yo, Neo, stop telling people, man. Maybe it was us out-time control to clear it, but we received, myself and Vibes Cartel received a cease and desist letter twice because the song was out there on the original rhythm, man.
This is back in 2009.
2008, 2009, yeah. And just sing the song and the Miss Independent beat and just put it out there. And it just blew up. So when it reached Billboard now, they must say, no, this can't work. So Vibes Cartel tell them, so listen, we're willing to give you whatever from it. Is a phone rhythm. Just allow it to stay so we can just go and push it and them say no. Cease and desist. So we have to take it down and do over the rhythm. And build over the rhythm. Same chord progression, same everything, and cease and desist one more time. Now I say, yo, rhythm too close. Like no more do that still. I think that them could have dealt with the situation differently, even though we were wrong for how we went about it in the first place. If we were willing to give up whatever rights, yeah, it's your rhythm, and just make the song stay. Everybody eat something.
Easily Cartels and Spice's biggest song.
Yeah. One of the biggest songs that come out of dancehall. And I passed, I don't know how much years, with a single collaboration, if you know, say, yo, male and female. Like, yeah, man, ramping shop. Yeah, man, ramping shop, stamping and music, yeah, man. The years passed, I was still there to talk about it.
Are you excited that Sting could be coming back in December?
No. See, Sting now, me not think Sting are gonna ever be Sting. Who are gonna clash? And with the youth them have as clash. Them ego are gonna make them want to go out, they go fight. Them can DJ for 5 minutes without running out of breath. Them not have the experience to work with a bands. like so many things, because see the new crop of artists now I actually go out there and sting. Most of them boss in a corona. I mean, I think them have no stage experience, they don't know even how to go clash. Because they're trying to sell Sting as a clash show. Well, Sting is a clash show, but if it's just a regular stage show where you hear the name Sting is still there and the artists them just go out, they go display them talent, it is fine. But if I go like try to sell it as a clash show, we'll go clash. And then have the experience of doing it.
I see no limits, ain't no boundaries.
Back to your rhythm. When people hear your rhythm for the first time, what are they going to think immediately, you think?
Somebody sent me a message on Instagram say he's in the car with his dad driving to work and he might play the rhythm and him say first he might play new music and him father and I tell him if he change it.
You believe in dancehall, Notnice, but you're getting old.
Yeah man, that's what I say. You old I mean, I may watch ear from your youth, you know.
Yo! Miss not the girl them like West. Man not impressed me. Girl when I'm upset. Get them a dancehall party.